In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to refund a gifted game on Steam step by step. If someone sent you a game as a gift and you no longer want it, or maybe it was purchased by mistake, Steam actually allows refunds for gifted games as long as certain conditions are met. The process is quick, and you can do everything directly inside Steam support. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can submit the refund request without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into the account that received the gifted game. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option called Help. Click on Help, and from the drop-down menu, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's official support page inside the app, where you can manage purchases, refunds, and account issues. On the support page, you'll see several categories related to your account and purchases. The section we want is called Purchases. Go ahead and click on the Purchases to view a list of all recent transactions and games associated with your account. Once you're inside the Purchases section, Steam will display a list of games and transactions tied to your account history. Scroll through the list and find the gifted game that you want to refund. Click on that specific game to open the purchase details page. This page will show information about the transaction and provide several support options related to that game. One of the options you should see is labeled "I would like a refund." Click on that option to continue with the refund request process. After selecting the refund option, Steam will ask you to confirm the reason for your request. You can choose the option that best fits your situation. In most cases, you can simply select that the purchase was made by mistake or that the game wasn't what you expected. Steam may also show you information about refund eligibility, such as the playtime limit and the time since the game was received. If everything looks good, continue to the next step. Now you'll be taken to the final refund request form. Here you simply confirm the refund request and submit it to Steam support. Once submitted, Steam will review the request and process the refund if it meets their refund guidelines. Typically, you'll receive an email confirming the request, and the refund decision usually arrives within a few hours to a few days, depending on support volume. And that's all there is to it. That's how you refund a gifted game on Steam using the built-in Steam support system. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials that help you solve everyday software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.